ko sa yung ulo. Sige na.
God calling young people to turn age, we must also see that all the persons who were called by God carry out His up-to-date move for young men. This does not mean that God would not use an older person or that God does not love the older ones. But the scriptures reveal that all the persons who were called by God were young ones. You may think that Moses was called by God when he was 80 years old. But you have to realize that Moses had something divine working within him even before he was 40. From his very youth, he had something to do with God. When he was 80, that was not the first time God came to